Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and I'm here today to show you some features of our Pro Series billet mid controls. If you're the type of person who likes to ride your Harley Davidson motorcycle aggressively, these Pro Series billet mid controls are exactly what you need. These mid controls have a greatly improved foot position as compared to the original controls that came on your bike. The foot pegs are further rearward, tucked in closer, and slightly higher than what your original controls are in order to maximize lean angle. What that means is even if your bike came with factory mid controls, you may find yourself contacting the foot pegs on the pavement while turning aggressively. These mid controls solve that issue and look great while doing it too. These mid controls are of the highest quality. They're precision CNC machined right here in the USA from 6061 T6 billet aircraft grade aluminum. What that means is they end up being very lightweight, very strong, and are available in multiple finishes, including gold anodized, black anodized, or this raw as machined finish that you see here. These mid controls do not include foot pegs, but their clevis design accepts standard 3/8 male type Harley foot pegs that have been around for a really long time and just maximizes the amount of choices that you have. For your convenience, we manufacture several styles of foot pegs that complement these mid controls very well, including our MX and MX Lite styles. And the nice part about that too is the anodized finish is a perfect match to your Pro Series billet mids. Like so many of the products that we manufacture here, these kits are a simple bolt-on installation. They include highly detailed mounting instructions, world-class tech support, and complete high-quality mounting hardware. Probably best of all is these mid controls are actually in stock and ready to ship. You can find out more information by visiting our website, tcbros.com.